Okay, so they shut down the government. But guess who still gets paid? Not the politicians arguing over bill on camera, not the federal workers waiting for paybacks, not the people refreshing news feeds hoping Congress fixes it. It's a business owner, it's a tradesman, drivers, builders, the ones who creates value to this country, not collective. Because when you own something that serves the real economy, no shutdown of government can stop you. Congress can stop writing checks, but they can't stop commerce. They can't stop courage. They can't stop ownership. That's what separates the free from dependent. You don't need to wait for Washington. You need to build something they can't shut down. Every 3 years, media panics. The government closing, government shutting down. Stock tickers flash red. People start arguing about whose fault it is. But what really happens? Federal offices close, paperwork piles up, speeches get louder. Meanwhile, life goes on. The groceries still have to move. The machines still break and need repair. The roads still get paved. Because the real economy isn't built on policy, it's built on real people. Shutdown just revealed the truth. You can't shut down the producers. The man and woman who build, fix, and move this country, they are the real heartbeat. When the system breaks, they build their own. But here's the truth no one likes to say. Most people don't want freedom. They want safety, or I call it slavery. The guaranteed paycheck. They promise someone else will handle the hard work stuff for them. But real freedom costs risk, courage, and accountability. You can't collect a check from the same system that controls you and call that freedom. Freedom means you control the outcome. The dependent wait for permission. The independent creates opportunity. The dependent asks, what will they do for me? The independent say, here's what I'm gonna do. Do you wanna be shutdown-proof? Stop building your life around a system you don't control. Stop depending on politicians to save you. Start depending on your grind, your skills, and your ownership. If your paycheck depends on the vote, you are already broke. Let's talk about how shutdown-proof people think. They don't chase security, they build systems. They don't pray for policies, they create profits. They own assets that don't care who is in the office. Number one, own what produces value. You don't own your job, you rent it. You own your business and you control it. Buy the equipment, the tool, or a real asset. Number two, serve essential needs like food, transport, repairs, construction. That's the work that never stops. Number three, stack income streams. Don't build one tower of income and pray it doesn't fall. Build 3 smaller ones, or 4. Maybe a service business, a leasing side gig, an equipment rental. Number 4, learn the tax game. The government rewards ownership. Section 179, depreciation, write-offs, it's a perfect example. The code was written for builders, not bystanders. Number 5, keep cash ready. When everybody panics, cash becomes power. When people sell cheap, you buy smart. You don't need to predict the economy. You just need to be prepared when it changes. So when the government shuts down, the weak freeze, the strong adopt. Pressure reveals mindset. The difference between broke and wealthy isn't resources. It's the response. If you panic, you already lost. If you pivot, you win. Every shutdown is the wealth transfer. Money moves from fearful to prepared. While one man complains about lost wages, others buy the tools he's selling to pay bills. That's the game. Recession, shutdown, chaos. None of it matters to the builder. Because the man with the skills always has currency. You know what shutdown-proof is? It's work ethics, skill, and ownership. Those are the assets you carry everywhere with you. You can't tax them. You can't freeze them. And you can't even stop them or cancel them. That's really what separates a survivor from statistic. So yeah, they shut down the government. But the truth, when they run out of money, you don't. Because your business prints it through the value and your hard work. They shut it down, you show up. They pause it, you push. They take days off, you take market share. This isn't about politics. It's about perspective. Don't fear shutdowns, use them. Every time they pause, you produce. Every time they stop paying, you start earning. You wanted independence? Well, this is it. The man who builds something real never waits for permission. You don't need the government to stay open. You need your mind open. You need hands working, your business running. Because they can shut down the system, but they can't shut down America. And America runs on people like you, builders, hustlers, and owners, the ones who get paid no matter what. And this is Red, White, and Revenue. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button below. We'll see you in the next video.